What's going on, everybody? Today I'm a little sick, so I apologize that my voice is all messed up. I lost my voice from working out and yelling and getting excited. So I apologize that my voice is not 100 today, but I will keep it 100 with the content. Today we're going to be talking about offering the best. Really just offering results, getting results for clients, how you can do it, what you really need to be doing, and why your offer sucks. I'm just going to start out and talk about a realization I had this week and last week too. I've met with a bunch of different people in the business space who are helping me build up, my business and learn different things about business in general that can be useful in the future. And what I've really learned is that no one really cares about video editing. Believe it or not, video marketing, no one cares about it. They don't really care how many videos you can edit. They don't really care. Okay, you can do 30 pieces of short form content a week or a month. They don't care. They don't care that you can do a video a week for a long form video. They don't care that you can do 10 videos a day for a long form video. They don't care. The only thing that people care about is results, whether that's making them money or saving them time. Those are two things that people generally care about. So when you're making your offer, you need to take that into consideration. How are you going to book more appointments for them so that they can get more clients? How are you going to make sure that your services are actually used and they will spread the word of mouth about them because your services are so good that they're getting actual results? And like I said, you have to be providing value. If you've read Gary Vee, Jab, 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 Right Hook, great book, highly recommend it. You will know that you have to give before you receive. It's the same thing with life. In the gym, you have to put in the work before you receive the results. So you need to be able to provide the result. And to do that, we need to make sure that we are actually putting in that work and getting them the result. If you're a freelancer, say, I know I have a lot of email copywriters and people who say they're email copywriters on Twitter. I know a lot of people that are email copywriters who say they are. And if your offer is, okay, I'm gonna write an email every week for you, no one cares. Your offer sucks. Everyone can write an email. You can go on ChatGPT and write an email in 10 minutes and be able to have it all ready to go. So what separates your offer? Well, what you know that separates your offer is, okay, I am a real human and I can actually talk in their voice. Okay, yeah, ChatGPT can kind of do that now too, but we'll take that into consideration. Again, people don't really care if you write in their voice as much as they do, will that voice provide me a result? So if that's the only thing that sets you apart, you don't really have anything going for you. You really need to make sure that you can provide the result. And to do that, you need to make sure that either making them money or saving the business owner time. If you're a service business, you need to make money or save time. Those are the only two ways to do it. And if you can't do that, you're not going to find as much success as you really could. So to make that no-brainer offer, like for me, what I'm doing personally is I'm adding in the team of appointment setters, a team of closers, a team that's actually going to help them get the sales so that they can make more money. And again, video editing is kind of a convenient service because it's marketing, yes. Okay, email copywriting is kind of a convenient service, but are people really going to go out and do the videos on their own? Because what I've found is most people, they won't do the videos on their own. I know there's some determined people that I work with, especially from places like First Form, got the First Form merch on, that are really determined that I work with that go out and actually do the videos. They actually put in the work. But really the benefit of my services is that you can actually get the result because I know what I'm talking about. I know how the algorithms work. I know how you can actually rank your video and get views. I know how to actually script a video, how to actually build the video, how to storyboard the video, the process, the format of the video. I know a lot more stuff than the average person knows. So you need to make sure that you're providing value in one of those ways, whether that's adding money to their bank account or saving them some sort of time. If you're not doing that, you're not going to succeed. That's the truth. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and come back for more. I do these every day on my podcast, so keep watching for more.